Russia's United Aircraft Corporation confirmed plans for mass production of the MiG-35 fighter jet, with new characteristics including a powerful radar and high maneuverability. According to the CEO of United Aircraft Corporation, Yuri Borisovich Slyusar, during the international military exhibition Aero India, mass production of the MiG-35 fighter jet will begin. The Russian MiG-35 fighter jet can track up to 30 targets and attack 6 targets simultaneously. The MiG-35 fighter jet has brain power, namely an aircraft that can be integrated to operate independently with other air platforms and fighter aircraft. Currently, the Russian Defense Ministry needs a fleet of MiG-35s to anticipate large-scale conflicts, such as the one currently occurring in Ukraine. As a medium-class fighter jet, the need for the MiG-35 is considered large enough for the Russian Air Force to carry out most of its daily missions. On this basis, Moscow will revive the production of MiG fighter jets, even though in reality Russia is deploying more Su-27s and their derivatives. The open architecture system is applied to the MiG-35 so that it is very adaptive to the latest system improvements, both avionics, radar, and all modern weapons. The MiG-35 is powered by 2 Klimov RD-33MK afterburner turbofan engines and is equipped with a Zhuk AM active electronically scanned array radar that is competitive with Western products. A number of sources state that this radar can detect any target with an effective spread area of around 5 square meters at a distance of around 225 kilometers. The MiG-35 fighter jet can fly at a maximum speed of Mach 2.25 and a flight altitude of up to 65,000 feet.